Okay, hi guys, this is Shawn and Jennie. We're doing our Sprint0 video for physical games with a purpose in situational crowdsourcing.
So this week we did research on current crowdsourcing applications that are out there, and looked back at what had been done last quarter. And Shawn kind of caught me up on where he was and where the other groups in our SIG were. We also attempted to play the Google Ingress game, but we found it was confusing and really hard to play. We weren't sure what we were supposed to do, and also, given that it was winter, there was no motivation to go outside to even play it. So that kind of gave us some ideas on what we should look for when we create gameplay. We brainstormed ideas of different locations, different user groups, and different motions that we could incorporate into our games that we thought might work. And then on my own, I worked on enhancing my tech skills and doing more video lectures on how to build mobile applications and reading through the grants from previous quarters.
Yeah, so using a lot of the brainstorming we did in Sprint0, we also met with Hauchi, and we got a lot of information about that and how we should proceed. And that's kind of going to set the foundation for our Sprint1. A lot of what we want to do in Sprint1 is prototyping and testing those game ideas that we thought of this sprint, as well as thinking of other ideas we can try to implement on actual users who would be using them in the specified way, such as on their commute or when they have free time. And also, more importantly, we want to see what's been done in the habit sourcing space. So specifically, what the Zombie Run and ZenWalk projects have been doing with stage mechanics, entering and exiting tasks, as well as how they're doing audio tasks as well, and seeing if that can either be used directly or as a foundation for what we implement in physical games with a purpose. And that's a wrap.